Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session to discuss operator concept using C language. This session, what is meant by operator? Types of the operator. First of all, the definition of the operator. Operator is a symbol that performed particular task on the variable value. This is the exactly definition for operator. The variable means we can store the any value, particular name in the computer memory. This is the variable. The next session is types of the operator. The operators are divided into different types based on nature, like that. Operator. The operators are divided into different types of nature. Like one is the arithmetic operator. The next one is the relational operator. The next one is logical operator. The next one is assignment operator. The next one is unary operator. The next one is conditional operator. These are some types of the operators are available in C language. The types of the operator. Operators are different types, are divided based on operation nature, are divided different types, like arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, unary operator, conditional operator. See, in this session I have discussed some operators. The continuation, the next session, the remaining operators are discussed one by one clearly. See, what is the arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operator. So, this operator to perform any arithmetical related operations. See, any arithmetical related operations are performed. So, what is meant by arithmetical related operations means like addition is one of the arithmetical operations, subtraction is one of the arithmetical operation, multiplications is one of the arithmetical operations, division is one of the arithmetic operators, etc. These are all some related arithmetical operations. So, given a simple example related to arithmetic operator, see, we can write the some variables. For example, I can use the variable keyword is integer keyword. Int a is equal to 1 value I have declared, b is equal to 1 value I have declared, c. C equal to a plus b. A value is the variable value is 10, b variable value is 20. The two values are addition operator is plus. C to print the value, printf C is equal to must be specified symbol, integer specified symbol, %d, comma, C value can be printed. Similarly, C is equal to a minus b, so subtraction operation. See, we can observe, we cannot use the value, we can use the value places variable. We cannot directly use the value in the programming. In the programming level, we can use the value placed fill the variable. Only we can call for the variable, not directly call any value in the program. We can calling the any value in the programming level, that value related to variable. Variable we can call it. Like minus is a subtraction. Printf the subtraction value C is equal to similarly %d, comma, C. Similarly, C is equal to A into B, the multiplication of the int operator, similar to print the printf the C value equal to percentage D, double quotes close, comma C. Similarly, C is equal to A by B, the divisional operators, printf C is equal to percentage D, the C. See, in this statement, this is the additional operation, this is the subtraction operation, this is the multiplication operation, this is the divide operation. These are all some arithmetic related operations in operator using C language. The next operator is relational operator. The next operator is relational operator. Relational operator. This operator are used comparison of the two quantities. See, the two quantities can be compared like that. The best example, this operator we can use Thras in weighing machine, not weighing electronic weighing machine. We can use the exactly Thras. There is kata. The best example, relational operator. That is the comparison of the two quantities. The relational operator nature is also the comparison of the two quantities or two values. Like that, some relational operators are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to. This is the some related relational operators. One is the greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to. This is the relational operator. Let's see, given the simple example like that. See, I can declare the int a is equal to similarly 10, b is equal to 20, comma c. C e is equal to a greater than b. Is the condition true or false? To check the a value 10, the b value 20, the comparison of the 10 greater than 20, this the condition is false. To return the value is 0 because we can passing the int. So, whenever the condition is false, whenever the condition is false, to return the 0. Whenever condition is true, the return is 1 using of integer data type. Or we can use the bool data type. The condition is false, to return the false value. The condition is true, to return the true value. See, printf a greater than b equal to the condition true or not, check the c value. Similarly, c is equal to a less than b, the condition true or not, check. If the condition true, to return the 1 value because we give the integer. If the condition is false, to return the 0 value because the value can return the integer only digit formats. A less than b equal to percentage d, comma c. Similarly, c is equal to a greater than or equal to b, like printf the a greater than or equal to b equal to percentage d, comma c. Similarly, c is equal to a less than or equal to b. Similarly, to printf a less than or equal to b equal to percentage d, comma c. Similarly, c is equal to a double is equal to b. The condition is equal to a value, b value. Whenever equal position, the condition is invoked. Whenever equal position we can using the double equal symbol, like printf a double is equal to b equal to percentage d, comma c, comma c. See, we can observe one is the greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal symbol, less than or equal symbol, equal symbol. This is the some relational related example. The next one is logical operators. So, what is meant by logical operators? See, logical operator, the comparison of the logical operator to comparison of the two conditions. See, one to comparison of the two conditions like that. A greater than b, for example, or a less than b. In this one condition is there, the comparison of the two condition using the logical operator to give the one result, but to comparison, but comparison two condition, but to give the only one result, the both conditions based. So some logical operators are, is logical AND, like that, logical AND, like that symbol, logical OR, like that this symbol, logical OR, and logical NOT. This is the some logical operator. See, give the simple example related, like int a is equal to some value, like that, b is equal to some value, c is equal to a greater than b, logical AND a less than b. To print the statement, printf and logical AND symbol equal to %d comma c. See, we can a comparison of these conditions. If condition is the false, because 10 greater than 20, the condition is false, and a less than b, like that, 10 less than 20, 10 lesser than 20, this condition is true. If the condition 1 is the false, the condition 2 is the true if the result is false, because logical and comparison of the two value, if both value true, to return the true value, if both any one value is false, to return the false. This is the logical AND symbol. And logical OR, c is equal to a greater than b, logical OR a less than b, logical OR symbol, printf logical OR equal to %d comma c. See, in the logical OR, if the condition false, if the condition true, logical OR, whenever the condition true, any one condition, that value can be related, logical OR, anywhere. If the condition both is false, also to return the false. This is the some example for logical operators. Thank you watching my channel. Give me any comments my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.